name is Gabriel Salcedo. I am the General Sales Manager at Nissan. I've been here for 10 years. Been doing business with Chris Castle for 3 years. She's a partner that cares for her customers. Chris Castle and the Car News Network, they don't only tell you what to do with social media, but they come here and tell us what to do. They train our sales staff, they train our managers, and they're very, very hands-on. She has helped us from becoming an average Nissan dealer to one of the most top recognized dealership in the country. And she was there for us when no money was coming in during COVID, and we still needed to have exposure in social media. She's one of the best I've seen, not only because she's good at it, because she's really care, and because she takes a lot of pride in what she does.